Alright guys, welcome back. So it looks like it's been a while since we have looked at Rivian, and I decided to take a look at it, especially after them reporting earnings. And then again, rumor, the stock pumped pretty big all the way to 13 bucks, and it's giving back, and it's below $10, and it's basically back to single digits. So what I'm watching for this name, so it looks like, yeah, I was looking at my channel and like when I was talking about this name, so it looks like after they coming public, I talked about it saying that this is gonna go to 30 bucks, more sell-off, and then when it started getting all that headlines from Volkswagen, we know what's going on with them. Okay, so those investments are not guaranteed. So, and now it's fading. So last time I talked about this one right here, we had a rumor pumped up, and then it didn't like fade really fast, but it did fade. It did come down significantly, hovered around, earnings pump again. And the reason why you see, I mean, a lot of people, like especially newcomers who are attracted to the price of the stock, this stock is a $10 billion stock, okay? So you have to understand that. It's not cheap. $10 billion is very, very large market cap considered. You don't want to judge a stock by its stock price. Always look at the market cap, okay? And just compare other market caps. Okay, levels I'm going to be watching for this name. And also, after them reporting earnings last time, so I think they are losing more money now than they were per car sold. Per car sold, I believe they were, you can double check every information, of course, 40 something thousand dollars, 43,800 or something like that. They're losing for every car sold. So there's only one Tesla, and there's no reason to, and I have told it back when I was talking about it at $70 levels, there's no reason to look for another Tesla. There's one Tesla, and there's not going to be another Tesla, okay? My opinion. So technicals, this is the resistance I was watching, trend line. So this is a downtrend if we take a look at it from August of last year. And ultra short term this year, actually, Rivian this year is down 58% this year alone, okay? I'm not saying from all-time highs. From all-time highs, like 179, that was the print. Well, just curious right now. So is it down, what, 90 something percent? If we go all the way to $9.69, this stock from its highs, 94% down. See, that's crazy. Not attractive to me. Sell stocks that are going down, buy stocks that are going up. It's a quote by Peter Lynch, I think. As soon as it hit, I mean, $10 was a pivotal level. As soon as it cracked this level, and the more it stays below this level, I'll be watching all-time lows of $8.26. But since it's Q4, we can see more people do tax loss harvesting into the year end, and this stock can even go all the way to $6 by the end of the year. If we crack 826, I'm just going to set an alert here. And this is downside potential. To the upside, I wanted to explain this one as well. So why after big moves, you see big flush come? Liquidity, guys, liquidity. The big guys can only sell into big liquidity. And this was a retail trap. This is where institutionals start selling, and they always do. So even when stock is in uptrending, they sell after earnings report because it gets a lot of attention. And right here, right now, I mean, it is purely institutional selling into that liquidity. Volume increased, they dumped. Last 2-3 days, 116 million a day, 74 million a day. Today a little bit lower, 48 million. And average On average, this stock trades at 22 million. Okay, sorry, I'm just gonna watch what's going on with Amazon MCD. Okay, so these names are coming down. Market is open, stock is trading, and I want to quickly look at the option, not option actually. Let's take a look at the short data, because I'm wondering if it's people are just dumping it, or if it's shorts going crazy on this one too. Not much of a crazy short volume. So again, this is not accurate data. Okay, do your own research, do your own digging. So far, according to my tool, 55 yesterday, 45 the day before, 53, and it's elevated short volume. So yeah, it is people shorting, and at the same time people who are basically cutting the losses, and institutions dumping it into this move, and also retail as well, whoever was holding the bag, and they're just cutting the loss, because you can see year to date, I mean, anybody who bought above $10, which that's where it traded for the most part of the year, underwater. So they're just taking the loss. So that's the update for Rivian, and thanks for watching. If you're new, like, subscribe. See you in the next one.